Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2007 Hyundai Tucson City, stock reference number 4461. The shape runs from the 8th month 2004 through to the 1st month 2010. It has a G4GC 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. G4GC 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the rear end, so the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right hand fog light, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left hand fog light. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. The left front is a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a ball tyre. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Got the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a grey cloth centre console lid, manual type console, manual gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, both light and extension type, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.